In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix if the Draw tab is grayed out in Microsoft Word. Sometimes when you open Word and try to use the drawing tools, you might notice that the Draw tab appears disabled and the tools inside it cannot be selected. Features like the pen, highlighter, eraser, and ruler may all appear grayed out, which means they cannot be used at the moment. This usually happens because of the viewing layout currently applied to the document. Fortunately, the issue can be fixed very quickly by adjusting the document's view settings. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple process so you can restore the drawing tools and continue working normally. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. The quickest way to do this is by using the Windows search bar. Simply click on the search field, type the word Word, and then select Microsoft Word from the results under the Best Match section. Once the application opens, create a new document by selecting Blank Document so you can clearly see the Word interface and its available tabs. At the top of the window, you will notice the ribbon that contains several tabs such as File, Home, Insert, and Draw. Click on the Draw tab to check the drawing tools. If the issue is present, you will see that the icons for tools like the pencil, highlighter, eraser, and ruler are all disabled. Because they are grayed out, you won't be able to draw or annotate anything in the document. This usually happens because the document is currently displayed in a layout mode that does not support drawing tools. To correct this, you need to adjust the view setting of the document. Look at the ribbon and click on the View tab. Inside the View tab, you will see several layout options available, including Read Mode, Print Layout, and Web Layout. If Web Layout is currently selected, the drawing tools will remain unavailable. To fix the issue, simply switch the layout to Print Layout. Click on Print Layout from the options shown in the View tab. As soon as you change the layout, Word will update the document view and restore access to features that require the standard editing layout. Now return to the Draw tab and take another look at the tools. You should now see that all the drawing options are fully active. The pens, highlighters, eraser, and ruler will no longer be grayed out, and you can begin drawing or marking up your document as needed. By switching the document to Print Layout, you can quickly restore the functionality of the Draw tab and continue using the drawing tools without any problems. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.